Good evening, America. It's Michael Duncan Foster here. Michael Duncan Foster right here in Anthony, Texas, right over the border of New Mexico, right on the very tip of Texas by El Paso. I've been going through a winter storm, as all of us have, but it was yesterday. It was 70 degrees here in the desert. I'm in the desert, but it snowed. It's been snowing for the last couple of days. I got held up on my bicycle. But I'm toughing it out. Today it says it's 15 degrees, but it feels like zero. That's what my phone says, and it does feel like zero. Now, here I am. There's Anthony, Texas behind me, and the freeway. And if you can't see, I'm somewhere way out there. That's where we're going now. So they got this little pathway. I'm about 3 blocks away out there in the middle of nowhere. If you can see that light, let's see. See that? Nope, you can't see that light. Sure can't. But you see the tower? I am to the, if you're looking at the tower, I'm to the right of it, out in the middle of nowhere, but much closer. Anyway, I know you want to see what it's like to trample through the desert in the middle of the night in the freezing cold, snow on the ground in Anthony, Texas. Earlier, you couldn't see, there's mountains over there, you couldn't see them. The clouds were rolling over the mountains and literally they disappeared. And that was our second wave of snow. They said it's going to be even colder tomorrow, but the sun's supposed to come out during the day, but it's supposed to be even colder at night, I believe, because the wind's picking up. But I had to go up there and up to one of the truck stops up there. And the one I picked, it starts with an L, and has a red heart in it. Because I'm all about that. I'm all about love, baby. I'm all about love. So if there's a place I can go that has that in mind, well, come on, it's got to be good, right? So, let's see if we can't get out here. I'm trying my best to hurry up because this video is getting long. It's face mask weather because it's so freaking cold and the wind is blowing right now. Boo! Who's that? Who is it? I carry this big old flashlight. It's heavy as heck. It's heavy. But I use it for protection. Comes in handy, especially out in the middle of the night. I couldn't go without it. I wouldn't feel safe without it. So here we go. Taking you with me. Let's see if we can make it through this to my tent. Gotta watch out for the cactus. Fall on a cactus here at night is not gonna be pleasant. And these cactus got needles, boy. So this is what I'm doing. Went to go pick up my charger. I left it out there during the snowstorm, charge up so I can watch some movies. If you look, you'll see what I watched. Oh. Here we go. Tramping. Could you imagine out here with the littler flashlight than what I got? I mean, this flashlight will hit that mountain over there. Or even in the wilderness, you know, thank God it's winter right now. There's no snakes. This is rattlesnake country. There I am. All right. There's my tent right there. My bucket tipped over. Okay. So, peace and love of the world. God bless you. God bless America. God bless God. Until next time, Michael Duncan Foster right here. Remember, I love you. Yes, you, the one watching. Please subscribe. Anything's possible on Quest Impossible. Peace. I'm holding up the peace sign. Peace.